Desperate for any ounce of support, disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa has since October 2023 been throwing looted funds to poor Zimbabwe musicians to get their following. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. 2 years ago, Mnangagwa took it upon himself to sponsor the two biggest football clubs in Zimbabwe, Dynamos and Highlanders. He did this the way he has been doing in canvassing support from musicians. Then he pushed sponsorship deals for Dynamos and Highlanders through his ZANU-PF cadre, KUTYA. These are looted public funds from government. The idea was to get all Dynamos and Highlander supporters to support Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF. The problem is he is just wasting public funds for the country's healthcare and the other critical sectors. The people of Zimbabwe are not stupid. Musicians cannot be blamed for accepting the gifts. Life is tough in Zimbabwe. It is tough because ZANU-PF is the elephant in the room. As we can see, Mnangagwa is now desperate and has started doing vote buying by dishing out vehicles. So let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.